welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today this video is gonna be super informative, and also I'm gonna review the vitamin C range from Wow Skin Science. Now, first of all, I'm gonna talk about the brand because it is so very important for you to know the brand properly, understand it, and then use their products. Now, Wow Skin Science is an Indian brand which is doing wonders globally. I mean, I am really focusing on Indian brand these days, and this brand, when it comes to skincare, it is like my first choice because it is paraben free, sulfate free, and it is basically chemical free brand. Like, all their products are super for your skin, but definitely you need to choose the product according to your skin type. They have various ranges, but today's video I have chosen the vitamin C range because this is my favorite. And also, please don't mind my nails, I'm like letting them breathe a bit. Okay, so coming back to the topic, the vitamin C range is my favorite because it actually helps you glow from within. Now, it is not a whitening agent or anything that sort, but it will actually help you glow. Your skin will be glowing, your skin will feel fresh. And when you get the product from Wow, you will get one QR code like this right behind or anywhere in the bottle. Now, this is their serum. So what this does is you can actually scan this QR code and know the authenticity of the product, because guys, many a times it happens that brand sends you products which are original, but then in the process it gets exchanged by the third party. So they make sure that they send the products with a QR code which you can scan and know the authenticity. And not only that, if you scan this code and put up your details, then you get a discount on your next purchase. But remember, you need to do this from their website. And also, Wow has launched their new app, which I'll be going to show you in the next clippings or maybe somewhere here. So in that app, what you need to do is you just need to go scan this QR code, know the authenticity of the product, and also once you scan it, you will be getting a discount for your next buy. But remember, you need to shop from their website or their app, which is the Wow Skin Science India. So this is how the app looks like when you open it. It's available in Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Now, there are many categories like nutrition, skincare, hair care, and then bath and body for kids, and some combos as well, new launches, and also a few videos to help you out. Now, you can just select the category and get your hands onto the products. Again, there are other categories on the side of the app. There are three lines where you can click and then check your orders, wish list, cart, and account again. So they have taken all the measures to make sure that their products are authentic, which are reaching to you guys. And also, they have amazing discounts going on every now and then on their app. So please go and download their app. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and review the products. Now, first, I want to talk only a bit about vitamin C, because most of you are aware of vitamin C and most of you only know that it is a glowing agent. I mean, it helps in making your skin glowy, but it has many benefits, guys. It is very good for your skin, for your health. And coming back to the skin part, it will help you fade away your redness, your hyperpigmentation, and it will help you fade away your dark circles if used properly. It will help you glow. It will help you brighten your skin. By brighten, I mean the brightness, not white. Please don't judge in that basis. So it will help you brighten up your skin, glow your skin. It will help you make your skin glow, and many other health benefits. So I'll just jump into the products and explain how to use it and also their benefits. So this is the first product. This is their Wow Skin Science foaming face wash, which comes with a silicone brush applicator. I really love this concept of adding a silicone brush on their face washes. Like, this bristles are so soft. It will just glide on your skin like very smoothly. It will glide and help you get rid of all the dirt. Again, it says here that it will fade age spots, reduce fine lines, help brighten and make your skin glow, helps smoothen complexion. All in one, it will help you get rid of all the uneven skin tone and everything that sort. So this is the face wash bottle. Now if you press this pump, the product comes out and you need to rub it all over your face very gently. Now this is a foaming face wash. It actually is a very good face wash. Rub it for a good 1 minute and then just wash it off with normal water. The next product right after that is the vitamin C clay face mask, and it also comes with this QR code. All of their product comes with a QR code. It comes with this brush applicator. It's not a brush but a silicone flat brush with which you can actually glide your face pack really easily and makes it really easy and hassle free. Now this product is my favorite. It smells so good, guys. It's orange in color and it smells like orange and lemon. Like, trust me guys, if you get your hands onto this product, then you'll just keep on smelling it. It's so soothing, like, and it works wonders once you apply the face wash and then this face pack. Oh my god, you will just instantly see the difference. So now I'm going to apply the face pack. I'm taking a little amount on my silicone brush and then just gliding it on my face, applying it all over my face. And also please make sure guys, don't leave any area. If you want, you can apply it around your mouth and underneath your eyes as well, because this is a non-drying product. It's very light on your skin. Keep it for a good 15 minutes and then just rinse it off and you'll see the instant glow and brightness. Now coming on to the third step is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Skin Toner Mist. Now this is the toner or the skin mist, whichever way you feel like calling it. And again, it comes with this QR code which you can scan and get to know about its authenticity and also get discounts further. Now all you need to do is just open this and then spray all over your face, and you can also spray it over your makeup. I'll just show the demo how you're gonna use it, just like very simply like a face mist. Now why face mist or face toner is so very important. If you are not using face pack, right after the face wash you need to use the toner. Toner is very good guys. If the impurities which are not gone after your face wash, this toner will help you get rid of those impurities. And this toner is actually helps in getting rid of the dirt from your pores. It helps people who are suffering from acne. Always you need to have this toner. I mean, if not this toner, then some other range toner, but a toner is very important in your skincare routine. Now using a toner is super easy, and this toner makes it more easier as it comes in a spray bottle. Just spray it from a distance and let it sit on your face or your skin and dab it so that it gets absorbed. Now I have few blemishes and this one right here has faded a lot with the help of these products. Right after the toner is the serum. Now vitamin C serum is so overhyped, and yeah, it's worth the hype actually, but you need to know which vitamin C you have to use. Always check the ingredients and what all is used. Now this one is like no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil, like no chemicals at all, and it is it helps to hydrate skin and brighten complexion. By brighten complexion, it means that it will brighten up your skin, it will make it glowy. Okay, please don't think that these are whitening agents. This not gonna make your skin white. These are not fairness skin creams. Like no, these will actually help you enhance your skin tone. It will help you brighten up, have a glowy skin. Your skin will shine, and you know that glow you want to gain. This serum is so very important for that. I seriously remember right after I used the toner and then the serum helped me glow so much. I'll be showing you the demo. You will see it for yourself. This is a gem of a product. You definitely should have it. Now it comes with this kind of a pump which you can just press to take the product out, and then it also smells so good. And again, like orange and lemon and citrusy smell. It's super. Now serum is my favorite part, so I'm just quickly showing it to you once again. It comes in a pump bottle. You just have to press it and apply it on your skin. A very little amount will also do. Just see how I'm applying it, just this much, and I'll just spread it all over my face or skin, and it is so light, it smells so good, and this is my favorite part, guys. Just let it sit and apply it in an upward motion and now dab. The last and the final step is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Moisturizing Cream. Now a moisturizer is so very important. It's not written moisturizer here, but it is a face cream, and it says that it hydrates your skin and it is an anti-aging product. Now this product is so good. Like guys, you always should have moisturizer in your skincare. Every day you do not need a face pack, but you definitely need a face wash, toner, and moisturizer serum also. Like this things has to be there. Now this packaging is superb. I like it. You just need to press this area and the product comes out. I have just pumped a very little amount. Now rest I'll show you in the demo. Now right now I'm showing it here. It's very light, not at all sticky. It just gets absorbed in your skin like very very well. So here is a quick look at the packaging. I just loved the packaging. You just need to press and the product comes out, and it is so soothing. Just take a little amount and heat it in between your fingers and apply it on your face like very slowly, and massage it in an upward direction just the way I'm doing. And this is the final look after using all the product, guys. Like just see how bright and glowy my skin or my face looks. My hands are tanned, but the glow in my face, just look at that. It made my skin so supple, and I am just crushing over these products, guys. These are the best. So guys, as you have seen, I have reviewed each and every product. Now एक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मैंने ज़्यादा बात नहीं की है बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ देम आर लाइक विटामिन सी प्रोडक्ट्स. ना विटामिन सी के कुछ बेनिफिट्स है जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपको जानना, वही मैंने बोला है. लाइक स्किन ब्राइटनिंग, glowing skin, fading of hyperpigmentation, fading dark spots, fine lines. These are the 5 most important benefits of the vitamin C. Every step in this skincare range will help you move a step ahead in your skincare journey for making your skin brighten and glowy. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Now to be very honest, I truly have been using these products and I loved these products. Like I seriously loved these products. Everything about these products, like the way it walked on my skin, and also most of the products are of not a very good smell, but these products are so good in smell that I actually like applying it on my skin and leaving it on, and even after washing that, my skin feels so fresh and supple, and even I smell good. So guys, if you like this video and if you guys trust me, and then please do get your hands onto these products. Like if you want to get your further discounts, then you should definitely go and shop from their website to get more discounts by scanning their QR code, or else these products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, etc. So guys, if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below if you like this kind of review videos. I'll come up with more. Thanks for watching. Bye.